Shit, I'm charging with my weapon. I'm charging with my weapon. He shot me right here. That's why I had to take my shirt off. He shot me right there. Let's go. Got him. But he's hurt in the leg. Changing position. Go, 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 go. He's shooting me, he's shooting me. This is an old rifle. This is an old rifle. I have to change. I have to change bullets. I have to change bullets. I have to show you every time I shoot. Okay. Let me do this. It's right there. It's over.